President William Ruto. Niwaweta Kana Itambya ya Ndongoi ya chama cha ODM Raila Odinga ya Kuukitia Mwanya wa Mwenekivila wa Ngwatanio ya Kusisya Yalata ya Africa AUC ta Inakwatanisye Akenya Vate Kusisya Misingi ya Kiuteti. Kavindani Nake Raila Niwamutungia Muvea Ruto Nundu wa Kumukwata Mbau Masembani asu vala waweta Kana nukutwaisya Uneenan'ya na ateimake na mituki nukunengane moloto ula ukosa wa Kiuteti. Manene ya mawikaloni ma President State House musini wa Mombasa Kavindani kala Raila wasi wakithia va Kenya Itina wa kupaloka kulani Angelina Mose nukutoa mbesya uvilingi na ilivoti.
Karibu sana.
Mainena Kavindani kala matwaisya kikalo ki Mwanya State House va kauntini ya Mombasa. Raila Odinga Niwaweta Ivinda na Itina wa kulea kusinda kivila cha Mwenekivila wa Ngwatanio ya Africa nukwithiwa yu yene viso yingi yake kukwati ya mauthuku mikifethukanyo kwinthi ya Kenya.
Now I'm delighted to be back home. You see, east, west, north, south, home is best. I feel very, very happy and delighted to be back to Kenya after what we went through.
Raila Niwaweta nao metukino kufikia kukumana na kutana na ateimake na Ndongoi ingi na kumya livoti ya kiki kufikia kuatia zikayone siya kukilia nthi ya Kenya aitungia Muvea President William Ruto na ondhe alama na ungamie Itina wake.
So we are available to help the continent of Africa, but more importantly, we are also available for Kenya. I'm back home here. I'm going to meet with my friends, my supporters, and I'm going to consult widely what's going on forward, and in due course, we are going to announce our way forward. So we'll give a way forward very, very shortly.
We close ranks as a country and focus on what we can do for Kenya. The things that require our collective effort. As an administration that is now broad-based, there is every reason for us to accelerate the momentum for the delivery of the things that will transform our nation.
Uneni wake ni wakwata Mbau ni President William Ruto na ulayu wawetekana vena vata wa Ndongoi nguu wa serikali ya umwe kukwati ya vanene maundu wala matonya kutoa nthi ya Kenya na Mbee.
And I must be grateful that the necessary political capital that is required to move transformative programs in our country now exists courtesy of the broad-based government, and we will continue to focus on developing the things, the programs, and the policies that will catapult our country to the next level. And we need all hands on deck to be able to achieve this vision and mission.
Kwa tumetarajia kama taifa, tunashukuru Mungu ya kwamba hata baada ya shughuli hiyo umeendelea kushirikiana, kuongea, kushauriana ili tuweze kusaidiana kama taifa, kwa sababu taifa letu litasonga mbele kama wewe utaendelea kushirikiana na viongozi wote.
Uneni wa Ndongoi ukaitwa President William Ruto kuambisia ndamka yake ya chumwa kimwe ya kuvingwa milati ya kimaendeleo kauntini ya Kiswani. Gilivote ya vilingi wa Mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa ni wa Angelina Mose.